Been here a long time. Guess you found yourself a throne, huh, little guy?
Look at this. All the way down to bare metal. Glass is ready to fall out. Seat's gone. Nature's taking it back. Still beautiful. Let's get this morning started. Can't fix anything if I can't see. There we go. Hood latch still works. Alright, tools out. Ratchet feels good. Light on. This bolt's the first one. Little rust breaker. Let it fizz a second. Brush it clean. Yeah, that's moving. Alright. Clear this off. Still sits tight. There you go. Clean enough for a reading. Scanner on. Come on. Good. She's waking up.
Get this thing awake. Safety off. Here we go. Too warm, a little bit of drying will clean that up. Burning the old stuff. Pressure oil going in, tap back on. Good, that should do it. Like it never left. Wheels are new though. Floor still smooth, rainwater everywhere, front lips holding on. What a place to find a car like this.